Meaning of goblin.
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 Goblin. The word goblin refers to a mythical creature that is often portrayed as mischievous or malevolent. Goblins are often depicted as small and grotesque, with pointy ears and a hunched posture. They are commonly associated with folklore from the British Isles, but similar creatures appear in the legends of many cultures around the world. Despite their reputation for causing trouble, some stories depict goblins as sympathetic characters who are mistreated by humans. Overall, the image of a goblin is one of otherness and unpredictability, making them a popular subject in fantasy and horror fiction.